everybody, it's your girl EbonyJean. Happy New Year. I cannot believe it's 2022 already. Time is flying super fast and we're halfway through the month of January. So I hope all is well, everyone is safe and healthy. In today's video, we're going to be talking about planning. I've been meaning to do one of these for a long time since I got a new planner. What better way to introduce that topic than with LILLY Pulitzer? I bought this last year when I was shopping for school supplies and stuff, but I love the cover. Like, it just stands out to me. You see the beautiful, lovely skin tones on the front. Y'all see it? And LILLY is just a vibe altogether. I love the palm trees, the bright colors. This fits my personality because I love anything bright. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys how I plan out my days and the stuff that I bought to go with my planner. So let's get it. Okay, so this is the large 18-month planner from August 2021 through December 2022. I bought this when I was shopping for school supplies last year. I just stocked up because I didn't feel like going through the rush of finding a planner come January, because I went through that last year and there were a lot of designs like from another brand that I purchased from. I couldn't find anything that I liked, so I just kind of picked out something at the last minute. When LILLY dropped this planner, I had to buy it. Like, this is beautiful, look at it. So yeah, I decided to stock up early and break this out for school. So LILLY comes with different sizes for her planner. So she has everything from the mini to the jumbo. This is the large planner. I don't think I have her jumbo ones. These are more suitable for me because I have a lot to write down. And I can show you guys the previous LILLY planners I have. So this one is from the 2015-16 calendar year, and this is the 2017 calendar year. This is my very first LILLY planner I've ever purchased. Each of her planners come with a sheet of stickers, so I don't know if I have stickers from... Oh yeah, I still got some left over. Cool. Okay, I didn't know that. It says Resort 365. I love the inside of this. I started using this around my pageant days, so I wrote down all of my important dates and things. For the 2017 year, it's a little bit smaller, and when it comes to like the density and whatnot. This one is just a 12-month agenda. This is 17 months, but I digress. Okay, so let's get to the 2022 calendar year. I love the details. The colors are so gorgeous. I love the gold foiled glitter prints, and on the back it just shows like the different families doing activities. Inside of each LILLY planner, it's going to come with an address and contact info on the back, like on the first cover. I'll fill this out later. And then it just gives like a brief history of LILLY's brand. At the top it has a quote. It says, "Style isn't just about what you wear, it's about how you live. LILLY Pulitzer." So I love this brand because it's just so happy, vibrant, colorful, which describes my personality because I love anything colorful. So here's another design from LILLY, and then she comes with 2 sheets of stickers. I have yet to break these out. And what I heard about her sticker sets and things from other planners, you can do like different DIY projects. So I thought that's really cool, and I'm glad that I still have one of my sticker sheets from my old planner, so I can use that in what I have coming up for the year. It has like stickers for the weekend plans, birthdays, school's out, date night, all that stuff. And then it has a pocket folder. I love the pink grapefruits, super pretty. Pink is my favorite color. And then the goal sheet for 2022. I have yet to write out my goals. It has different tabs, so the tabs include the yearly calendars, dates to remember, to celebrate, travel, addresses, and notes. So the yearly calendars go from 2021 to 23. So you have 22 right here, and the next calendar year, which I thought was really cool and convenient. Here's the escape plan, the travel tab. So it comes with a few pages that you write down your it comes with a few pages where you write down your upcoming travel plans. You can write down what you're taking with you, where you're going, the activities you're going to be doing when you get there, and things like that. I don't know where I'm going this year, so I haven't filled out anything just yet. This comes with a numbers and address book. I used to write all of this stuff down back in the day, and I might start again. I know we live in such a technologically savvy generation, and everything is in our phones now, but I'm trying to get used to writing stuff down in person, just in case something happens with my phone and I can't get a hold of my contacts, so yeah, I just want to get back to that. Now here is what everyone talks about, the notes tab. So this comes with, I think, 30 pages of notes. So if you're somewhere you don't have a piece of paper on you, you could just pull out your agenda and jot everything in this tab. Every month comes with a Lilly design. This is the August 21 design. So I didn't fill out any of this because I already had an agenda for that particular year, and I just didn't feel like transferring information over. So yeah, it just comes with each tab for the 21 year. This is August. It says time to shine. September 21 was Cool Cats. This is so pretty. Pretty in Pink. October, my favorite color. November, which is my birthday month, Into the Jungle. And December, which is Treasure Trove. So we're gonna get into the 22 calendar year. This is January, and it's called Island of Dreaming. Oh, I wish I was on an island right now. That sounds great. And then I wrote down all of my information for the month. I wrote out my classes, and I reached a new milestone this month, guys. I reached 700 subscribers. I've already written down my schedule for next week. We just started going back to class. In fact, we don't have any class tomorrow, with it being Martin Luther King Jr. Day. And we have all of my information right here. Again, it's color coordinated, so it helps me focus. And then I'm going to show you guys the tabs for each month. This is February 22. This is one of my favorites. It's so gorgeous. And then we have the month of March, Sea Dreamer. April says You Grow Girl, super cute. I love the flowers. Exotic Skate for May. This is, listen. Lily understood the assignment, okay? So June is Girls Night Out. This is so cute. July is Bodylicious. I've always wanted to go sailing. I've never been. Hopefully I can make that happen this summer. August is Sunsplash. September is Totally Amazing. October is Pause for a Cause, PAWS. November, my birthday month, Nice Stems. It has a bunch of palm trees. I love palm trees. They just make me so happy. Finally, we have December, Paradise Found. So that is the calendar year for 2022. For accessories, I bought the Lilly pencil pouch. I got this from Amazon. I don't remember how much I paid for it. I also have the set of Lilly pencils and the eraser. To write down everything, I have my Pilot G2 pens and the Papermate Flare markers. These are really nice because neither of these bleed through, and I really like how they appear on my stuff. Also, I have the 3 set of Lilly pocket folders. This comes with 3 different designs, and I love it. It's super, super pretty. And I have the Lilly notebook. This is in the design Cabana Cocktail. I love the front of it. It's written in gold foil, and you can see the little palm trees all throughout the notebook cover and the back, so it's really nice. Now, I will be honest, Lilly is a little bit on the pricier side, but I think it's worth the investment, especially if you love bright colors and the different sized agendas. So she has everything from mini to jumbo. This is the large size agenda. I'm not sure if this design is available still, but you can check on her website. Now, I heard that TJ Maxx sells some of her products along with Amazon, of course. Barnes & Noble, I don't know how true that is, but if you know that's true, comment down below, let me know. But yeah, I just love everything Lilly. Like, this is amazing. The planner that I purchased last year was from the Happy Planner, and I got the Disney line. So this has Minnie Mouse on the front, and it says leave a little sparkle everywhere you go. What I miss about this planner is how it has different squares for each day. I was able to write down my class assignments and things, and just keep everything separated and organized. So that's what I do miss about this planner, but I love my Lily, and I had to go back. Well, I think I've covered everything. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please give me a comment down below, subscribe if you are new, and a thumbs up. By the way, thank you so much for 700 subbies. Yay! We are very close to 1K. I'm claiming that this is the year I finally reached my goal on YouTube, so let's make that happen. I'll post everything in today's video down below in the description box. God bless, Happy New Year, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!